Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to report income from a Roth IRA on Turbotax in 2025. This is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. Let's jump straight into it. The first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your Roth IRA income statements, including of course your form 1099-R. Next, once you've gathered those documents, go ahead and sign into your Turbotax account, and then just select the tax year that you want to report your Roth IRA income for. Next step, just choose income and then select Roth IRA income as your income type. And once you've selected that, go ahead and enter your total Roth IRA income, including any distributions or withdrawals. And then you're going to be able to claim any related deductions, such as the Roth IRA contributions or expenses. And the final step is to review your Roth IRA income report and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest from there. That's pretty much it on how to report income from a Roth IRA on Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.